It's your boy
Dashin
Dash.
Q.
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. 550 for 1.3 miles. Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. Look at that. Yeah, man. It's Minnesota. It's getting down. Yeah, come with that order, man. Hey, man. All right, man. It's a 550 for 1.3 miles. Whack Arnold. Damn. Come on, son. It just started snowing, son. All right, this is my second trip to McDonald's. It's the same order, $5 for 1.3 miles. Let me get it. All right. Snow. Alright, man, it's getting down out here. This is the Starbucks drop. Alright, got this Panera bread, 4.3 miles. Alright, I'm in Panera bread waiting on this order, and they sent me a McDonald's order for an additional 1.3 miles. So we'll grab that right when I leave here. Whenever I leave here. Alright, this is that Whack Arnold's pickup. So slippery. Rebecca? Alright, have a good one. Alright, let's go get this Taco Bell, 2.3 miles. Oh my God. Alright, we got the Hardee's order. This is, it was a 9.1 mile order. So, it was 4 miles to get here. 3 miles, I guess. All right, we back at Hardee's. This is a 6 mile order. All right, this is a Panda Express pickup. They sending me all these crap orders. All right. I got a Chick-fil-A order. It's a petty order, I'm sure. It's one item. So let's get it. All right. This is it. Crumble cookie pickup, and then I gotta go to Panda Express. All right, you go to the Panera pickup. Alright, you guys, I got two details I have to do. So I had to cut the dash short, so let's get it. Let's see. Oh, this car is nasty. Yep. Filthy. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh man, a third row. Oh my God. Oh. Come on, dog. Oh, here we go. All right. Oh my God. All right, let's get started. Man, I'm gonna start taxing, man. I'm tired of these vehicles like this that take up my whole day, and then they come and they want to deal. It's not that bad. I get in here, it look like the jungle. Oh, baby. I get in here. Okay, that's cleared. Is this broke? Well, what? Well, he got it locked. So this car is a mess. So I'm supposed to have another detail, but hopefully I can get through this one. It's snowing out too. Yeah. I'm gonna let y'all see. He got stuff all in the tracks. I can't, his seats won't come up, so I gotta, try to get all that stuff out, and it's tough, so. But I'm moving. Let's keep pushing through it. Yeah, feel me. Uh-huh. Look at this. Get all this crap out. Yep, so I'm just gonna lather it all up. And once I get through the backside, I'll be able to blow through it. Look at that. This should become clean. This should come clean easy. So we got this thing done. It's all done, smell good. I'm waiting on him to come pick this car up so I can get started on this one. This guy's taking all day. Talking about 30 minutes. And come get this car so I can start on this other detail. Yeah. Yes, sir. Another job complete.